All right, folks. Here it is. Welcome back to Rock's Garage. Hey, right here we got that carburetors that we built not too long ago, and they're already set up. Engine is timed. I had to change some of the stuff in the engine because I didn't want it here. Took the full flow and I placed this pump, the one that I took from out of the thing, and welded it, and I placed it over here. Also, I got the distributor I got from Bugapalooza, and the two carburetors as well that I dipped in the acid. And I did some upgrades with Angel yesterday. So, and I didn't get to tune it yesterday, but right now it's working properly. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. I think I ran out of gas. Well, anyways, that's all I ran out of gas. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Well, we're done. Next up is gonna be, that trailer is bright. Let me see, change angles. There you go. Well, next up, it's gonna get put on the chassis for the 57. So that this one is completely done, and I'm happy about it. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you later. Bye.